Good morning, Amanda. Testing. Can you hear me? One, two.
Yes, I can hear you.
Thank you. Buenos días, dispositivo Misael, ¿se puede identificar, por favor?
Buenos días, Juan Misael Castellanos Hernández.
Juan Misael Castellanos,
Hernández.
deme un segundo. Ok, gracias. Ya le cambié su nombre en la pantalla.
Está bien.
Buenos días, dispositivo José, ¿se puede identificar, por favor? Buenos días, su nombre, por favor.
Um, Buenos días,
Buenos días, su nombre.
José Antonio Bajaña Arana.
José Antonio Bajana Arana.
Ajá,
Ok, ¿y tiene manera de encender su cámara?
sí,
Ok, gracias. Ok, por el momento la puede tener apagada, pero cuando la jueza hable su caso, la tiene que prender.
ok.
Gracias.
Buenos días,
Buenos días, ¿quién habla?
a Leonides González,
Su nombre, por favor.
a Leonides González Saldaña.
Un segundo.
Ujú.
Si puede verificar la pantalla que su nombre esté correcto, por favor.
Mm, ¿Lo puedo poner otra vez? Fue rápido.
Ahí está bien.
No, no se puso otra vez. No se ha puesto.
No lo escucho.
No se ha puesto el nombre.
Es González Saldaña, ¿correcto?
Sí, González Saldaña, correcto.
Ok, en un momento se debe cambiar. Gracias.
Gracias.
Buen día,
Buenos días, ¿quién habla?
Gabriel Díaz.
Sí, sir, ya lo tengo anotado aquí.
¿Ya está
Gracias.
anotado?
Ya lo
Ok,
tengo anotado aquí, nomás es momento de esperar.
gracias, muy amable.
Gracias. Buenos días, dispositivo iPhone, ¿se puede identificar, por favor?
Álvaro Infante.
dispositivo iPhone se puede identificar, por favor?
Buenos días,
Buenos días, su nombre, por favor.
Nelson Fabricio Chávez Hernández.
Nelson Fabricio.
Chávez Hernández.
Ok, deme un segundo. Ok, ya le cambié su nombre en la pantalla. Gracias.
Ok.
Buenos días, dispositivo Edgar, ¿se puede identificar, por favor?
Buenos días,
Su nombre.
Edgar Cruz Espinosa.
Edgar Cruz Espinosa.
Sí,
Ok, gracias, ya le cambié su nombre en la pantalla.
gracias.
Good morning, Virginia Raymond. Can you please identify yourself? ¿Se puede identificar, Virginia Raymond?
My name is Virginia Raymond. I'm with Lone Star Defenders. I am just observing today.
Okay, I'm gonna Edit your name. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Dispositivo de iPhone de Alexander, ¿se puede identificar, por favor?
Alexander Montoya.
Alexander Montoya. Julián Alexander Montoya Palomino.
Sí, correcto.
Ok, gracias. Buenos días, dispositivo. José, ¿se puede identificar?
Sí, es que se me desconectó. Me llamo José Antonio Bajaña Arana.
José Antonio.
Bajaña Arana.
Ok. Si se debe desconectar su dispositivo, en la pantalla cuando ingrese otra vez, hay una sección donde dice el nombre. Por favor, tecle su nombre, así para hacerlo un poco más fácil para la corte, para identificar las personas.
Ok,
Ok. Y eso también cuando inicie la primera vez, todos pueden teclar su nombre ahí, para que haya menos, para no gastar tiempo y así para no batallar para identificar a las personas.
ok,
Gracias.
gracias.
Buenos días, dispositivo Joel. ¿Se puede identificar, por favor?
Sí, Joel.
Buenos días, su nombre, por favor.
Buenos días, Joel Isaías Reyes Armijo.
Joel Reyes Armijo.
Correcto.
Ok, gracias. Ya le cambié su nombre en la pantalla. Buenos días, dispositivo Armando Morales.
Buenos días,
Su nombre completo, por favor.
es Pedro Armando Pérez Morales.
Ok, gracias. Ok, ya le cambié su nombre en la pantalla para que refleje su nombre completo.
Va,
Ok, nomás le pido que no se ponga la cachucha, por favor, porque estamos en una audiencia formal.
sí,
Gracias.
Hey, Carlos, do I have time to step away for about 2 or 3 minutes?
Yes, of course. Let me know when you're back.
Thank you.
Hmm. Good morning, interpreter R. Luna.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. May I just have your full name, please?
My first name is Rosario.
Rosario Luna.
Yes,
Thank you
sir.
so much.
Thank you.
I'm back, Carlos.
Thank you, Amanda. The camera on, yeah. Yeah, like this. Good morning, Amanda. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, Mr. Todd, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Thank you. Interpreter Luna, are you ready?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Clerk's office, Mr. Reyes.
I'm ready, Mr. Pa.
Thank you. We will begin shortly.
Good morning, everyone. Court is in session. Once again, thank you for your patience as I'm on jail duty. All right, Mr. Garcia, you have one case, case number 40. I will call that case 2024 CRB 98 on page 11. Martin Sandoval Lopez. Martin Sandoval Lopez.
Presente.
Present.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you today?
Morning. All right, your announcement, counsel, it's a pretrial hearing.
Yes, Judge. I announced to the court at our last setting in August that we were preparing for an inspection of the property. You gave us a setting to do that. We have completed that. I did reach out to Mr. Todd regarding some of the findings. Heard back from him yesterday along with an offer. It does appear as though there is some body camera still floating around out there that I've asked his office to look into. And so I'd ask the court for some time on that. And then I'm still speaking with Mr. Sandoval Lopez about his options. I want to review that offer with him and see what he wants to do with it.
All right, Mr. Todd, can you verify if there is body camera?
I looked into that this week, Judge, and we're asking DPS to provide if they have any, or tell us, confirm in writing that they don't. So
All right, and even though you may not have the camera, you're ready to proceed to trial?
I think that given some of, you're speaking to the state, Your Honor. I'm
Yes.
sorry. I apologize, Your Honor.
No, no problem. Mr. Todd?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. And of course, Mr. Garcia, if, you know, if it shows up, they're not going to be allowed to use it. So they would have to go with what they have. I don't know where that would leave their case, but that's between you and Mr. Todd. So I will give you we're actually at the fourth pretrial, and I know sometimes the discovery is slow coming. And I can be patient with that. But all Mr. Todd needs to do is just verify with the state whether there is or there isn't. So I'll give you a short reset for a final pretrial hearing. And that'll be
How much time, Your Honor?
I would say within 30 days or right at 30 days.
Okay. 1 second.
En este momento estamos.
Oh, I'm sorry. The interpretation. Yes, go ahead, ma'am.
En este momento estamos buscando un receso de 30 días, ya que estamos esperando todavía las investigaciones para ver si hay algunas cámaras corporales y vamos a reagendar esta causa.
Next setting.
Yes, next setting will be set for October the 18th at 9 a.m.
Octubre 18 a las 9 de la mañana.
And Judge, fully understanding that that's our last pretrial, I would ask, just for my own knowledge and education, so we will go from there if we can't resolve, and certainly, like I said, I'll talk to Mr. Sandoval Lopez about that, but if we can't resolve, we go to a jury selection conference.
Correct.
And will the court, is there a deadline on the court's acceptance of a plea negotiation?
No,
If
sir, there is
things
not.
change? Okay, I just wanted to know.
But the other thing, if you're going to go forward for jury selection, then your client will need to come over here at your client's expense. And then what we try and do is arrange it at the bridge to cross. But I mean, I don't anticipate that any trial would, take more than a few hours. But if it goes from day to day, your client would be housed at the Webb County Jail and brought forth every day, okay?
I will speak to Mr. Todd about that a little bit more as we go, and I'll have a more, hopefully more clarification for the court on an announcement next time.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Sir, thank you.
La siguiente audiencia será la última audiencia antes del juicio. Si se obtiene la información, de todos modos se van a ir a la selección de jurado, y si ese es el caso, entonces tuviéramos que hacer arreglos para que usted estuviera presente con arreglos con el puente y para que estuviera de este lado. Y si pasan días, entonces tuviera que estarse quedando en la cárcel del condado, pero no se espera que se vaya a ir a juicio.
Thank you. You are excused to stay in touch with your attorney.
Thank you again.
Gracias. Se puede retirar. Usted manténgase en contacto con su abogado.
All right, that's what I have for you, Mr. Garcia, unless you tell me otherwise.
That is correct, Your Honor. May I be excused.
Yes, sir. Have a good day.
Have a good weekend, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Todd.
All right, Ms. Smith. I've got one case for you, case number 6 on page 2, 2024 CRB 674, Juan Misael Castellanos Hernandez, marking you present.
Good morning, Judge. I do have number 15 as well, Miss Lorena Esparza.
All right. 2024 CRB 999, although that's set for an arraignment. What is your announcement on number 6 that is set for a pretrial hearing?
Yes, Judge, I have reviewed discovery with my client. At this time, we are just requesting another pretrial setting to try and get the case resolved.
All right, next setting.
November the 8th at 9 a.m.
All right, Mr. Castellanos Hernandez, your next setting is November 8th. Just stay in touch with your attorney. We will see you then. You are excused for today.
Señor Castellanos, la siguiente audiencia va a ser para el día 8 de noviembre a las 9 de la mañana. Manténgase en contacto con su abogado.
Case number 15, 2024 CRB 999, Silvia Lorena Esparza Villagran. I don't know which of the units she's in.
She's in the Lopez unit.
Lopez. Oh, that's right. The
Present.
females are housed in Lopez. All right. Good morning, Ms. Esparza.
Muy buenos días, señora Esparza.
You are here for an arraignment on your charges, and your attorney will make the announcement for you, counsel.
Usted está aquí para la lectura de cargos y su abogada va a hacer el anuncio.
We would like to waive formal reading and enter a plea of not guilty.
En ese momento vamos a entrar a una lectura de no culpable.
All right, and do you want to discuss the bond?
Judge, at this time, my client would not like to request a PR bond. We do believe that this is the best decision for her at the moment.
En este momento no vamos a estar pidiendo una salir bajo palabra. Creo que esta es la mejor decisión para mi cliente.
Okay. All right, then we will see you, Mrs. Esparza, on the next setting, which is
November the 8th at 9.
Nos vemos, señora Esparza, a la siguiente audiencia el día 8 de noviembre a las 9 de la mañana.
Ms. Smith, since she is in custody, do you want an earlier setting or do you just want to leave it at that?
Judge, at this time, we can keep that setting that was just provided.
And just let us know if you want to move it up.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Yes, ma'am.
Usted nos avisa, señora Smith, como ella está detenida, si usted quiere una audiencia antes de esta fecha. Está bien.
All right, ma'am, you're excused. Thank you.
Usted queda despedida, señora. Gracias.
Okay. Muchas gracias.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Judge, could I also be placed in a breakout room with my client and Aline Reynoso?
Yes. Are they still here?
1 second, Your Honor.
Lopez unit is still here, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay. Eileen Reynoso, correct?
Yes.
Okay, everyone should be on their way.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Ms. Jacks, you have case number 4, 2024 CRB 572 on page 2, Jose Antonio Bajana Arana.
Presente.
Present.
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, my client is present. We had this setting to determine whether Mr. Todd would have the discovery on the case or not, and whether he would consider dismissal.
En ese momento estamos esperando si la fiscalía tiene alguna de las pruebas y ver si este caso se va a sobreseer.
Mr. Todd, you want to check?
Looking it up, Judge.
Where's number 4?
I'm trying to look for him.
Yeah, got it.
Okay, thanks. Oh.
Your Honor, we do not have any discovery, so I will agree to file a motion to dismiss in this case.
Pues, señoría, no tengo ningunos hallazgos, así es que en este momento vamos a descartar el caso.
All right, sir, your case is hereby dismissed. You are free to go about your business. You no longer have to make any appearances in court.
Señor, usted ya no tiene que presentarse ante ninguna audiencia. Su caso ha quedado descartado.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. And that was my only case. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am, you may.
Thank you. Have a great weekend.
You too.
Your Honor, can we call docket number 2 and 34?
Number 2 and 34?
Yes, please.
Okay, 2024 CRB 6, Ruth Noemi Alonso Chavez.
Stephanie Carnero present for Miss Alonso Chavez, Your Honor. She is here.
All right, I'm marking her present. In case 34, 2024 CRB 2, David Areli Raxon.
And she is present as well, Judge.
Okay. Let's see. Did you find 34?
Yes.
Okay. All right, I'm marking both of them present. What is your announcement, counsel?
Judge, I've spoken to my clients. We're going to take the recommendation extended by Mr. Todd. I did email him this morning. I apologize for the late reply. I was out of town this week. If I could just have a 2-week reset to get plea paperwork and review it with my clients.
Yes,
En
ma'am.
ese momento, la abogada está pidiendo un receso de 2 semanas para poder trabajar en los documentos para la presentación y revisarlos con sus clientes.
Next setting.
September 27th at 9 a.m.
Y queda para el día 27, 10 de septiembre a las 9 de la mañana.
If we get that paperwork in time, it would include a plea in absentia and your clients don't need to be present.
Yes, Judge, I let them know when I spoke to them when I relayed the recommendation.
Si se entregan esos documentos, la abogada puede presentarse por parte de ustedes. Ustedes no se tienen que presentar.
All right, anything else?
Yes, just one question for Mr. Todd. I did send it an email, Mr. Todd, but if you could just verify, because the recommendation was 3 days, but I just want to make sure that it's time served for both of them, because I'm not sure if both of them have 3 days.
I think, Mr. Potter, can you tell us, can you tell us pretty quickly if there are at least 3 days credit for?
Yes, of course. Just 1 second, please.
Yeah.
For docket number 34, the total amount of days is 12. And for docket number 2, the total amount is also 12.
We could just keep it at the 3 days, though. That's fine. So,
Thanks, just wanted to double check they had the time.
thank you.
And that's it, Judge.
All right, both of you are excused to stay in touch with your attorney.
Ustedes dos ya se pueden retirar. Manténganse en contacto con su abogado.
And may I be excused, Judge?
Yes, ma'am, you may. Have a good day.
Thank you so much.
Ms. Sonia Butts, I have one of your clients at least is present. 2024 CRB 938 Nelson Fabricio Chavez Hernandez.
Yes, number 7 is present. I do not see number 46, however.
Let me call him out. 2024 CRB 762 or her Jennifer Yesenia Vicente Sonte. Not present.
Can I have a short reset for her, Your Honor? I do have contact information, and I texted her this morning when I didn't see her, and I have not gotten a response.
All right, this is the first pretrial. Do you know she made it home after bonding out?
I have spoken with her since she got out, Your Honor.
Okay. Next setting, 46.
November the 8th at 9.
November 8th.
Okay. And I have not received any discovery for 46 or number 7, Your Honor. Mr. Todd, is any in on these 2 cases yet?
What is the cause number on number 7?
It is 938-2024. 938.
I didn't get the 9. I got 38, but I guess I'm working off the docket here. Okay. Let me look up. It's kind of a high cause number, so it might We might not have the discovery yet on that, but we'll
Okay, I
see.
know it's fairly new, so
Yeah.
The July setting.
Yeah, it was mid-July. No, we don't have any yet. No discovery.
okay.
All right, next setting for this one.
November 8 at 9.
All right, Mr. Chavez Hernandez, the state is still awaiting the discovery so that they can turn it over to your attorney. Your next setting is November the 8th. Please stay in touch with your attorney.
Señor Chávez, el Estado todavía está esperando los hallazgos. Por favor, manténgase en contacto con su abogado. La siguiente audiencia será para el día 8 de noviembre a las 9.
Ok, gracias.
Thank you.
You're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good weekend.
You too,
Se
ma'am.
puede retirar.
Ok, gracias.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Goodman, your case 16. 2024 CRB 1002 Cesar Cruz Flores Rodriguez.
I believe he is in custody, Your Honor.
The Segovia unit is on.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Flores.
Muy buenos días, señor Flores.
You are
Good
here
morning.
for an arraignment on your charges, and your attorney, Ms. Goodman, will make the announcement for you, counsel.
Usted
Yes, Your Honor.
está
We'll
aquí
wait
para
for
la
a
lectura de
reading and
cargos.
plea of not guilty. And ask
Usted
that the
está aquí
case be
para la...
set in the normal course. I do have
Ms.
a
Goodman, if
motion
we can
for,
just pause for a moment to let the interpreter interpret for your
okay,
client.
thank you.
ma'am.
Usted está aquí para la lectura de cargos y su abogada va a hacer el anuncio. Su abogado en este momento está pidiendo una siguiente fecha y que este caso se lleve a cabo de una manera normal.
Right. And you want to review the bond?
I did, Your Honor. I do believe that the bond is excessive and unreasonable in light of Mr. Flores's low income and indigent status, which has been confirmed by the original court. In addition, he does have local contacts in the US where he would be able to remain to ensure that he appears for his future court hearings. He has an elder mom who he cares for and would need to be able to be out to be able to support her further. So we would just ask for the court to consider a PR bond or at the very least a lower bond to allow him to be able to do that.
All right.
En eso-
Oh, I'm sorry.
En ese momento se está pidiendo una fianza ya sea baja o bajo palabra, ya que el señor Flores sí tiene contactos aquí en la ciudad y también él está manteniendo a su mamá que ya es mayor y queremos ver si él puede salir con una fianza.
So he does not have an ICE hold?
¿Él no tiene una detención con inmigración?
That I am not sure of, Your Honor, but his mother, if he is deported, his mother is in his home country.
Oh, I see.
No estoy segura, su señoría, pero si a él se le deporta, la mamá de él está en su país de origen.
All right, and you do have contact information for him then,
I do have contact for him and his family members, relatives that are here in the States.
Sí, tengo como contactarlo por medio de sus familiares que están aquí en los Estados Unidos.
All right, so I do take notice that he's been in custody for 7 days. I will grant a PR bond of $1,000.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
En este momento sí estoy notando que tiene 7 días encarcelado. En este momento voy a aprobar la fianza bajo palabra de $1,000.
Mr. Flores, if you are deported to your country of origin, just be careful on your way home, as we've been getting reports of kidnappings and robberies. So just be careful. Once you get home, please contact your attorney. Your next court setting will be on
November 8 at 9 a.m.
November 8th.
Thank you so
Señora
much.
Flores, si a usted se le deporta y usted se va a su país, le voy a pedir que tenga mucho cuidado porque tenemos informes de que haya muchos robos y muchos secuestros. Una vez que usted llegue con bien a su país, le pido que se ponga en contacto con su abogado. Su siguiente audiencia es para el día 8 de noviembre a las 9 de la mañana.
If you don't make it home by November 8th, she will give you a new date.
Si usted no alcanza a llegar a su casa para esa fecha, su abogada le va a dar una nueva fecha.
But understand that if you fail to show up to court, the state may ask for your arrest.
Pero mantenga en mente de que si usted no se presenta para alguna audiencia, el Estado puede pedir por su arresto.
Okay.
All right. Anything else,
Thank
Ms. Goodman?
No, Your Honor, I believe that is my last case, if I may be excused.
Yes,
Have a
ma'am, you
good day,
may.
Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Your Honor, may the units be excused?
Yes, the units are excused.
Thank you.
Thank you. Eric Sundin, case 29 and 36.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Good morning. I am fine, sir. Case 29 on page 8, 2023 CRB 710, Dina Palma Armijo, marking present, and case number 36, 2023 CRB 711, Joel Reyes Armijo.
Yes, Judge. I recently was assigned these cases. These cases were reassigned to me. They were previously with Kathy Starling. I have reached out to the state to get added to these cases on Justice Web. I'm just waiting to get access, and then I'll review the discovery, and we'll come back to the court with a decision about how we want to proceed, Judge.
En este momento su abogado ha sido reasignado a sus casos recientemente y está buscando la manera de poder revisar sus casos y está pidiendo una fecha siguiente.
All right. Next setting.
November 8th at 9.
La fecha queda para el día 8 de noviembre a las 9 de la mañana.
Gracias.
All right, Mr. Todd, what does he need to do to get on the portal? So that he knows?
Mr. Sundin, have you accessed it before in other cases?
Yeah, it's been a while since I've had a Webb County case, to be honest. It's been like 6 months or so. I reached out to Pablo a couple of days ago about getting access, so I'm just going to give him a little bit more time, and if I don't hear from him, I'll reach back out.
Okay, good.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Have a good day.
You too.
Mrs. Esparza, case number 26 on page 7, 2024 CRB 568, Wilder Alexander Mejia Lopez.
Yes, Your Honor, he is present.
Thank you, sir.
This
Gracias,
case,
señor.
sorry, he was arrested back in May, and we have not received discovery. I did request it, so I just want to inquire if there is none or if we just haven't been sent.
All right, Mr. Todd, case 568.
Thank you. On Wilder, Alexander Mejia Lopez. It's pulling it up here. Okay. This is the middle of May. Let me see here. We don't have any discovery, I'm showing, Judge, so I'll dismiss this case.
Su abogada pregunta si ha habido algunos hallazgos debido a que usted fue arrestado desde mayo. El Estado menciona que no tiene ningunos hallazgos y este caso queda desestimado.
All right, the case is hereby dismissed.
Thank
La jueza
you.
declara que este caso queda desestimado.
Mr. Mejia, you are free to go about your business. You no longer have to make any further court appearances.
Señora Mejía, usted puede continuar con lo suyo, no tiene que presentarse para ninguna otra audiencia.
Excelente, muchas gracias.
Excellent, thank you so much.
Case number 47 on page 12, 2024 CRB 139, Gustavo Adolfo Zuya Hernandez, a plea in absentia is accepted.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Do you have any others, ma'am?
No, Judge, that is all for me. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Mr. Mohammed. Case. Let's see, case 28. 2024 CRB 758, Abraham Josue Orozco. Abraham Josue Orozco.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Case
Jamal
number-
Muhammad.
Good morning, sir. Case number 37, 2024 CRB 759, Freddy Cristian Sabando Gomez.
He is present, Your Honor.
Case number 43. That's an arraignment. 2024 CRB 897, Anayeli Tepos Coaxico.
She's also present, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. All right, on your two pre-trials, what is your announcement?
Your Honor, we have, I'm not sure if Mr. Roscoe was present. I was in contact with him earlier. I know that he was having some difficulties connecting because of his internet connection. But I will say to the court that we have not received discovery on either of these cases. I don't know what Mr. Todd has or
All right.
or doesn't have, but we haven't received discovery.
All right, case number 28. This is the first pre-trial. It is with an offense date of July. Give me another setting.
November 8th at 9.
November 8th. Do you know if your client made it home after bonding out?
Mr. Roscoe? Yes, as I said, I was in contact with him this morning, Judge.
Oh, okay.
And he was working with his sister and my coordinator to connect, but I'm not sure if they're still having issues. He's just in an area that doesn't have internet, Judge.
All right,
Good
so
internet connection.
your next pre-trial for this one would be November the 8th. All right, and number 37, what is your announcement? Again, it's also the first pre-trial and it's a July 11th offense date.
Same issue, Your Honor. We have not received discovery here.
Mr. Todd?
Yeah, this was middle of July, Judge, so I doubt we were going to have any discovery yet.
Yeah, okay. All right, so the next setting for this one is November 8th.
En el caso del señor Freddy, todavía no se han recibido ningunos hallazgos y la siguiente audiencia será para el día 8 de noviembre.
Mr. Sabando, just stay in touch with your attorney and we will see you here November 8th.
Señora Sabando, quédese en contacto con su abogado y nos vemos aquí el día 8 de noviembre a las 9.
You're excused.
Puede retirarse.
All right, Ms. Tepos, you are here for an arraignment and your attorney will make the announcement for you, counsel.
Señora Tepos, usted está aquí para lectura de cargos y su abogado va a hacer el anuncio.
You're on mute.
Oh, you're on mute.
Judge, can you hear me?
Now I can hear you. I can't see you anymore, but I can hear you. There you go.
Sorry, Judge.
Okay.
My internet's down and I'm trying to do this on my phone for the first time. Now I can see what my clients have to deal with. Yes, we'll be entering a plea. We'll waive formal reading of the charge and enter of the trespassing charge, enter a plea if not guilty.
Su abogado menciona que se está presentando no culpable.
All right, next setting.
November 8th at 9.
Y su siguiente audiencia es para el día 8 de noviembre a las 9 de la mañana.
Ma'am, just stay in touch with your attorney. We'll see you here November 8th.
Usted manténgase en contacto con su abogado y nos vemos el día 8 de noviembre a las 9 de la mañana.
You're excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be
Gracias.
excused as well?
Yes,
Puede
sir. You
retirarse.
may.
Gracias.
Thank you. Have a
Thank
good
you.
weekend, Your Honor.
You
You too, Mr.
too.
Todd.
Jonathan Chavez, case number 9, 2024, CRB 764, Gerber Oswaldo Cognox Yanes. Case number 42. 2024, CRB 940, Gabriel Sic Diaz.
Presente.
Presente.
Present.
Case number 45. 2024 CRB 941, Menor Ignacio Vasquez Bajurto.
I haven't seen him logged on, Your Honor.
Okay.
Last person.
I'll mark him not present. Mr. Seek present, Mr. Cognox present. What is your announcement?
Your Honor, we still haven't gotten discovery on the 2 cases. Well, the 3 cases, but the one gentleman's not here. We still haven't gotten discovery on those. And then I have a co-counsel on this case, Morgan Shelburne. I believe she's logged on, but she had also filed a writ that she wanted to ask about.
Okay. All right, I take notice that each of these are set for the first pretrial. Mr. Todd, is this like the other cases where you're still awaiting the discovery, I imagine?
Let me look here real quick, Judge. I'd imagine so, but
They are July cases as the others.
right. Let's see. I got it here. Yeah, we don't have discovery on like 940. We don't have discovery on that one, Judge.
Not yet, okay. They are the same offense date, same property. So I'm
Yes,
sure it's the
same
same
intent, Your Honor.
situation for all 3.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, so next setting.
Next setting is
If I may, we did file an application for writ of habeas corpus, so I would ask that the court consider issuing the writ and scheduling Mr. Cognox and Diaz's cases for hearings on that issue.
Yes, ma'am. Did you submit a fiat for it?
Your Honor, I submitted a proposed order, just stating that the writ would be issued, but I can submit a proposed order that has an opportunity for the court to actually schedule the hearing, if the court likes.
Yes, ma'am, so that we can set it, and we normally set them on a Wednesday in the afternoon. I don't set it with the regular docket because that, it'll just affect the other cases if we have witness testimony, so I normally schedule it on a special day. So we can do that for all of the 3 cases. You should at least have the affidavit for the probable cause. Do you at least have that?
We did, Your Honor, and that is, what we cited in our application, since we do have some information, just as a preview, Your Honor, that GPS coordinates that are cited in that affidavit correspond to public property.
Okay.
So
All
that's
right.
what we were relying on.
So just submit us that fiat and we'll give you a setting and we will hear it on that day. In the meantime, these cases, will proceed. Mr. Todd will try and get the rest of the discovery for you. Okay.
So thank you, Your Honor.
All 3 cases are hereby set for the November 8th docket. Subject to the hearing on the application for the writ.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right,
And
Mr. Knox and, what was the other, Mr. Knox and Mr. Seek, just stay in touch with your attorney. We will see you here November 8th.
Manténgase ustedes en contacto con su abogado. Nos vamos a ver aquí el día 8 de noviembre para el día 8 de noviembre. El Estado todavía está buscando algunos hallazgos.
And just so that you know, I don't know, we have an application on Mr. Vasquez Pajurto for a writ. I don't know if you did file one on his case or not.
Not on his, Your Honor. I couldn't get consent to file it from him.
Okay. Well, I hope he made it home. Have you been able to reach him?
No, Your Honor.
Not yet, okay. All right. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your
Gracias.
Honor. Excused.
Do either of you have any other cases that you want me to call?
No, those were mine. Those were all of mine. Thanks, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, you may.
I do have Mr. Alvarez May, number 3 on the docket, and Mr. Jimenez, number 22 on the docket as well.
Number 3. Number 3 and which other one?
Number 22, Mr. Jimenez.
Okay. Number 3, 2024 CRB 1095, Sergio Edgar Alvarez May. Number 22, 2024 CRB 1094, Mr. Jimenez. All right, number 3, marking present, and number 22, marking present as well. Both are set for arraignment. What is your announcement?
Your Honor, I'd ask to enter a plea of not guilty and waive formal reading of the information.
All right.
Señor Álvarez, señor Jiménez, ustedes están aquí para su lectura de cargos y su abogada en este momento los está presentando no culpables.
Sí.
Next setting.
November 8th at 9.
Y la siguiente audiencia queda para el día 8 de noviembre a las 9 de la mañana.
Both of you are excused. Just stay in touch with your attorney.
Ustedes dos ya se pueden retirar. Manténganse en contacto con su abogado.
And just briefly, Your Honor, I wanted to flag for Mr. Todd and Mr. Para as well that these clients were previously represented by Ms. Carla Olivares, and those cases were transferred to me. I did enter a notice of appearance several weeks ago. I forwarded that to Mr. Todd and his assistant to make sure that it was on their radar so that any discovery would be sent to me. So I just wanted to raise that as a reminder and ask that I be listed as the attorney of record on the docket for next time.
All right. I think you may also need to contact Mr. Pablo. I don't know the last name, Mr. Todd. I just hear his name. To get on the portal.
Yes, and I have done that, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. Anything else?
That is all. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Ms. Andrade, case number 11.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. 2023 CRB 653, Ricardo Miguel de la Rosa Aranda.
Yes, Your Honor, he is present on Zoom under his name.
Yeah, I'm here.
I'm marking you present, sir.
So at this time,
All right,
Your
thank
Honor, I am requesting for a reset. I sent the state an email requesting video footage from the date of the arrest. We were provided some video footage, but after review, this video footage is for a different individual and not for my client. And so I would just request an additional reset of that case.
All right. Next setting,
November 8 at 9.
November 8th at 9.
And Ms. Andrade, had you already sent us an email requesting that extra video on that
Yes,
case?
Mr. Todd, I can re-forward it to you this morning.
Yeah, I'd just be sure to include Pablo Garza in that as well, because he'll be doing that.
Understood, sir.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, may my client be excused for this morning?
Yes, Mr. De La Rosa, your next setting is November 8th. Just stay in touch with your attorney and we'll see you on that day.
Your Honor, I also have docket number
Let them
21.
interpret for him, please.
Señora De La Rosa, usted se puede retirar. Su siguiente audiencia es para el día 8 de noviembre a las 9.
Thank you, sir. You're excused.
Gracias, se puede retirar.
All right, case 21, 24 CRB 761, Álvaro Daniel Infante Tovar. I do not see him present. What is your announcement?
Yes, Your Honor. I did see him earlier. I'm not sure if he was able to check in with Mr. Barra. This is his first setting, and so I would just request a reset on his case.
Yes, ma'am, November the 8th.
And yes, Your Honor, I did see that name.
Earlier?
Yes,
Okay.
earlier.
I also have docket number 23, Your Honor, Mr. Pablo Lara Diaz. He is not present on Zoom. He was released sometime last week, I believe. The PR bond order was signed on September 5th, so I'm not sure if he's had an opportunity to make it home. I am in contact with his family and I have requested, to be notified as soon as they hear something from him.
All right, 2024 CRB 1001, Pablo Lara Diaz is reset for arraignment on
October 11th at 9.
October 11th, ma'am.
Yes, Your Honor.
And those are all the matters I have for this morning, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Y'all have a nice day.
Thank you, you too. Case number 10, Mr. Lot, 2023 CRB 751, Edgar Cruz Espinosa.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Case number 13, 2024 CRB 59, Cesar Alberto Dionisio Ramos.
Presente.
Thank you, sir.
Present. Gracias, señor.
2023 CRB 748, María Isabel Domínguez Rizo. I saw her earlier.
What was that docket number, Judge?
Number 14.
I'm sorry, you broke up. 14 or 13?
14, yes, sir. Number 14 on page 4.
Okay, thank you.
María Isabel Domínguez Rizo. She logged off.
I just sent her a message to see what was going on, but I know she was here earlier.
I did mark her present earlier. Number 25. 2023 CRB 745, Jesús Abelardo Medina López.
Presente.
Present.
Case 27, 2023 CRB 746, Julián Alexander Montoya Palomino.
Presente.
Present.
Case 31, 2024 CRB 60, Pedro Armando Pérez Morales.
Presente.
Present.
Case 38, 2023 CRB 749, Oscar Sanchez Gonzalez.
I saw him here earlier
I
too.
did too. Oscar Sanchez Gonzalez. He's right there. I see the number.
38. Yes, Your Honor.
Presente, Oscar Sánchez González.
Thank you,
Present.
sir.
Gracias, señor.
41. Case 41, 2024 CRB 61, Josué Sebastián Setquino.
Presente.
Present.
And do you have 44 present?
I did not hear back from her. I did hear back from Maria. She said her internet went out and she's not able to join again right now.
Okay.
But for number 44, I heard.
All right, what is your announcement on these cases, counsel?
Your Honor, we are inspecting the property and I apologize. This is my first time doing the inspection with this investigator. It's not like the assigned investigator, so I had to fill out a form, but I spoke with him this morning. We should be able to get it done within 2 weeks. If we could just get a quick reset, we'll be ready to talk with Mr. Todd and have a resolution at the next one, I believe.
Okay, when is the next setting, Mr. Para?
Yes, Your Honor. 1 second.
So that's the only thing pending is the inspection of the property?
Yes, Your Honor, we've got the motion to inspect done, and Mr. Todd's given us his investigator's number, so it's really just on my end, and I apologize. It's just filling out the forms to get that done is new to me.
Which cases are we talking about of all those we listed?
They all entered on the same property, the El Espejo and Hachar.
The Achar property, the Marquez property.
Well, but there's like, then you call them one of the cases was number 13, which is 2415. That's a very different cause number. That's a different case, right? I mean,
Yeah, so there's like 2 groups here of people and they all entered on the same property, so it's all the same
okay.
inspection.
Oh, it's the same inspection.
Yeah, I mean they entered on different dates and with different people, but the property is the same. So we're just inspecting it for that.
All right.
Your Honor, so the next setting would be next week on the 20th.
That's not enough time.
So that I'm not sure if that's enough time.
No, let's get another one. I guess let's get at least a 30-day.
Yes.
What do you think, Mr. Lott? You think you can do it within 30 days?
I think I could do it within 30 days, but I am doing this 2-week training from the 5th to the 19th.
Let's
and
give him 45 days.
A lot of cases.
I know.
En ese momento,
Yes.
en ese momento su abogado está pidiendo unas 2 semanas, está buscando una fecha para poder llegar a una resolución.
Your Honor, yes, that would still put him on.
I guess let's get a November setting then.
Yes, no, I have the October the 18th, I'm sorry.
October 18th, does that sound like you can get it done within then?
I can get the inspection done, but I won't. I'll be in that federal or future.
You have your training on that day. Okay.
Sure.
So next setting after that,
I have the 25th of October.
October 25th.
That would be perfect.
All right, October 25th. Ladies and gentlemen, your next setting is October 25th. This will give the opportunity for your attorney to go and inspect the property in question.
Señoras y señores, la siguiente audiencia queda para el día 25 de octubre. Esto le dará la oportunidad a su abogado que pueda hacer la inspección en la propiedad.
Each of you are excused.
Cada uno de ustedes ya quedan despedidos.
And I'm sorry, Your Honor, I think that we didn't call number 1 on the docket.
No, I didn't because they were not present. So I'll call those up. Which was number 1, 5, and then you're 44. So
Number 1.
number 1, and I'm just waiting for them.
Yes.
Gentlemen, each of you are dismissed. You're free to go about your business for today. We'll see you in October, on October 25th.
Ustedes ya se pueden retirar. Nos vemos el día 25 de octubre para la siguiente audiencia.
Gracias.
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 Okay, case number 1, 2023 CRB 621, Bernardo Alexandro Aguilar Ortega, not present. Do you
He's
have
texting me, he's
contact?
saying that he's entering. I don't see him, but he's texting me right now.
He's texting you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, we're at the 6th pretrial, so where are we with discovery?
It's the same. If we could just have that one reset, we'll be done with this. At the next one, we'll either talk about the plea or set for trial.
That's fine with me, Your Honor.
All right. On, what was it, October 25th?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, October 25th it is. Case number 5, 2024 CRB 58, Santos Ismael Barreno Talk. Not present. Are you in contact with him?
Yes, he also just texted me. I'm in contact with him. He texted me like 6 minutes ago.
Okay. October 25th, and this is also subject to inspection. I take note that it's the Marquez property. So it's the same as with the other group that was here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, October 25th, and then number 44, 2023 CRB 747, Juliana Bernice Valencia Sanchez, marking not present. Are you in communication with her?
I haven't heard back from.
Not heard. All right, pull up the case, see if she's been present.
Yes, Your Honor.
I have that she was present at the last one,
Okay.
26th of July.
Oh, somebody's trying to come in. Mr. Aguilar, Bernardo Aguilar, case number 1 is coming in. I'm gonna change him from not present to present. And Mr. Santos as well, number 1 and number 5. Number 5 also changing from not present to present. Okay, but somebody just pulled out. Mr. Aguilar, let me spotlight him. Mr. Santos, he may have been kicked out. I think he got kicked out. All right, Mr. Aguilar, your case is going to be set for October 25th. Your attorney is waiting to go and inspect the property in question, and I'm giving him that time to do that. So your next setting is October 25.
Señora Aguilar, su abogado está pidiendo tiempo adicional para poder inspeccionar la propiedad y se le está dando ese tiempo que pidió. Su siguiente audiencia es para el día 25 de octubre.
Okay.
Thank you. You're
Gracias.
excused.
Puede
Bye.
retirarse.
Bueno, feliz día.
All
Good
right.
day.
And with regards to Ms. Juliana Bernice Valencia Sanchez, I take notice that she has been present for her pre-trials. So this is also the part of the property you're inspecting. I'll give you till October 25. See if you can get her in, but she has been present.
And there's Santos.
And there's Santos. Mr. Barreno? It's just a red wall. Santos Barreno? There we go. Mr.
Sí
Barreno?
estoy.
Yes, sir, I am marking you present. Your next
Dice-
court setting is October 25th. Your attorney is awaiting inspection of the property in question, so we will see you here October 25th. You are excused.
Señor Barreno, a usted se le está marcando presente. Su abogado está pidiendo tiempo adicional para poder inspeccionar la propiedad y lo vemos aquí nuevamente el día 25 de octubre.
Okay.
Que yo.
Yes, sir. Did you have a question?
¿Tiene usted alguna pregunta?
Yo como Santos Barreno, tú me dijiste que hasta en octubre la otra audiencia.
So the next hearing is October the 25th?
Yes, October 25th at 9 a.m.
Sí, el día 25 de octubre a las 9 de la mañana para la siguiente audiencia.
Yo como Santos Ismael Barreno.
Correcto.
Ok, gracias.
Thank you.
And I think that's all, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Have a good weekend.
You too.
Thank you.
Case number 18, Ms. Jackson, 2024 CRB 756. And you also have case 17, 2024 CRB 757. Gudberto Garduño Juarez, and I don't think I called the name on number 18. David Felipe Garduño Rojas.
Presente.
Thank you, sir. I'm marking you present.
Gracias, señor. Lo estoy marcando presente.
Good morning, Your Honor. 17 or 18 are in under 18.
Together. Okay.
Yes.
All right. What's your announcement?
This is our first pre-trial, and Your Honor, we would ask for another setting because we haven't received any discovery. These were arrests that were done in the beginning of July. So I'm asking Mr. Todd, do we have any discovery or are we still waiting, sir?
Yes, next setting.
November 8th at 9.
Okay.
November 8th.
Su abogada en este momento está pidiendo la siguiente audiencia, ya que están esperando los hallazgos del Estado y la audiencia queda para el día 8 de noviembre a las 9 de la mañana.
I also have number 19, Your Honor, 24, 35, and 39. And it's the same situation for those as well. The only one that I haven't seen this morning on Zoom would be number 39.
Okay. Case number 19 on page 5, 2024 CRB 882, Leonidas Gonzalez Saldaña.
Presente.
Present.
Marking you present, sir.
Lo estoy marcando presente, señor.
Case number 24 on page 7, 2024 CRB 883, Sergio Martinez Becerra.
Presente.
Present.
Marking you present, sir.
Se le marca presente, señor.
Case number 35. On page 9, 2024 CRB 755, Rosa Maria Resendez Rivera, marking present. And case 39, 2024 CRB 884, Oscar Daniel Sanchez Rodriguez. All right. Now, case 39, marking not present. What is your announcement on the cases?
Your Honor, same situation. They were all arrested on the same day on 7/3. So we haven't received any discovery, and I'm asking that you allow number 39, which would be Mr. Sanchez Rodriguez, another opportunity to present himself to the court.
All right, your next court settings for all of your cases,
November 8th at 9.
November the 8th at 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor. May
Su
we all
abogada ha pedido tiempo adicional para poder recibir los hallazgos del estado y la siguiente audiencia queda para el día 8 de noviembre a las 9 de la mañana.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we all be excused.
Yes, ma'am, you may.
Have a good weekend, and you too, Mr. Todd. Thank you.
Thank you.
Gracias. ¿Nos podemos despedir? Sí.
¿Ya nos podemos retirar?
Yes.
Sí.
Ok, gracias. Buen día.
Thank you.
Case 33, 2024 CRB 936, Sergio David Ramos Solis.
Good morning, Judge. He is present.
Yes, I see he's present.
My other two are not, 12 and 20. 20, I believe he's still in ICE custody. The family says he's still detained. They told
All
me
right,
this
case
morning.
number 12, 2024 CRB 939, Gilda de Luna Vicente, marking not present. And case number 2024 CRB 937, Ángel de Jesús Ibarra Duque, marking not present. You indicate that Mr. Ibarra Duque is still in ICE custody?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, next setting for him,
November 8th at 9.
November 8th at 9.
Mr. Ramos Solis, I've submitted to be given access to the discovery portal. I'm just waiting on that, Your Honor. And for Ms. De Luna Vicente, we sent a message to her family, but we haven't heard back.
Okay. I'll set both cases for November the 8th, taking note that this is the first pre-trial.
Señora Ramos Solís, esta es su primera audiencia. Su abogada está pidiendo tener acceso a los hallazgos y su siguiente audiencia queda para el día 8 de noviembre.
Thank you, you're excused.
Gracias, se puede retirar.
May I be excused, Judge?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Case number 8, 2024 CRB 141, Benedicto Chocox.
Good morning, Your Honor. Martha Bosley from Indias. I don't anticipate him being present. And at this time, I won't ask for another setting. I just ask if being amenable to, reinstating bond or withdrawing KPS if we do end up getting contact with him.
This is a March case. Look up his case. Have you received discovery on this one?
Yes, Your Honor. I believe so.
Let me see. Go down to the May. May not present, July not present. Keep going down.
That's the end of the.
Oh, that's it? And then today not present. All right, what says the state?
No, the state would ask for a CAPUS for those.
It'll be granted and as you know, supposedly if you get a hold of them, you can always call us and we'll get him back on the docket.
Thank you.
All right, do you have anything else?
No, that's my only matter.
All right, I'm sorry you had to wait till the end.
No worries.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Y'all have a good one.
You too. 2023 CRB 709, Javier Palomino Hernandez.
Which docket number is that, Your Honor?
Number 30, I'm sorry. Case number 30, Javier Palomino Hernandez, 2023 CRB 709. Miss Starling is out, isn't she?
You know, she submitted, a judge, a last minute this morning, actually, plea papers. I don't know if it was on this case or not. Let me check real quick. I can check my emails because I sent it, I signed it quickly and forwarded it to Mr. Parra, but I'm not sure if that's this case or not. Since she had the other ones. Well, let me see.
Let me check my, no, I haven't seen my email.
She also has 32.
Well, I thought. Yeah, so what's the cause number on the one you called, just 707? Oh, no.
709.
No, she submitted paperwork this morning on
707.
707?
Yes, docket number 32.
Okay, so 2023 CRB 707, Luis Miguel Ponce Calles, the plea in absentia is accepted.
Oh, that's on 707, Jeff?
That's on 707 is what I'm being told.
That's right.
Case number 32. And then 709. What's going, look up the case. No? Oh, she's asking if she needs to log on.
Yes, I'm barely seeing this.
Who? That's 709?
This is, yes.
707?
707, I'm
Seven.
sorry.
709.
And this is where I received it signed from Mr. Todd, and this is her last message.
All right, let her know, she's got pending 2023 CRB 709, and what is the status? Let me just give her another setting on that. I thought she was out on maternity leave.
Yeah, she had sent, I'm just trying to see what email she sent to see. Says she had two other that she said that
Okay.
someone else was gonna be substitute. Oh, here, hold a second. Well, she just, okay. Just talking about something about she didn't have internet a bit ago or something like that.
Oh.
Okay, now she's got that one. Let me see, plate paperwork. No, I thought she had mentioned there were two others that were going to be reassigned to someone else, but she didn't identify them in these emails, so I don't know.
All right, let's just reset it to find out what's going on.
Yes, Your Honor, I'll give this November the 8th setting.
November 8th. I believe I've called all cases unless somebody tells me otherwise.
Well, Judge, not too bad. It's Friday the 13th, so.
Oh, wow, I didn't even realize that.
That's right.
Nothing crazy happened, I guess. I don't know. If you're superstitious, I guess.
Yes, Your Honor, I think that is the docket.
All right, everybody have a good 16 de septiembre festivities.
Coming up.
All right, court is adjourned. It's 10:53 a.m. Thank you. Have a good weekend.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Mr. Parra.